Oh dude, what happened? Oh yeah, at the last video I passed out. Oh dude, my fidget spinner, yes! Okay dude, okay. Whee! Oh, somebody help me. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoops. Oh, okay. Woo. Look at my fidget spinner. Okay. Ah. Oh. Where's my fidget spinner? Where's my fidget spinner? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's my fidget spinner? Where's my fidget spinner? Oh, stop. Oh, stop playing dead. You'll pay back for this. This is where you get dinosaur. Oh gosh, Santa. Ooh, I'm out of here. Oh, I'm out of it. Oh, wait, what's that? What's the noise? Oh, who's this big girl? Hey, lady.
What are you doing? Oh, kisses. Is that a fidget spinner?
Oh yeah, that's my fidget spinner. You want to try it? Oh yeah, I think it's just like yours, but it has two bearings. Same color.
Yours spins better than mine.
Ow! How did that burn? Oh, thank you. You're so pretty. You're so hot. Just for the video. Ooh. Oh! Okay, I can't wait to watch TV. Hi guys, I'm Jackson. Wait, today we're gonna be doing some kill yourself challenges. So let's go. And you get to see my biggest fan. Who's my biggest fan? And let's do the challenge. Okay, so let's do the challenge. First, which challenge should we do first? Oh, I know. It's to kill yourself. Wait, the kill yourself challenge? I want to do that. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Oh my gosh, where did that gun appear? Oh, frick you, fidget spinner. Oh, whew. Okay, hold the trigger. Oh, well, he deserves it and mailed it, right? Right? Everybody say right? Everybody say right now. Say right now. Do it. Do it.
Delightful to see you, Hobson. To what do I owe the pleasure?
Do it. Or I will kill you. I'm watching you.
He has attempted going for employment, and he will.
Yeah, you deserve support.
He's stronger than you think.
I'm gonna make my mama.
Very nice. You can use them for
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you all later. I'm just so happy to make this video. Whoever subscribes and likes the video, go to notifications. And yeah, there's a comment down below that you can tap on. And it takes you straight to my profile. And I'm making some fidget spinners with fidget cubes. Okay? I worked really hard for this. Okay, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?